itong corruption in my time during my watch. There will be no corruption, period. And 4 or 7 years, if nobody interdicts the drug business in the Philippines, we will be a narco-politic. For the things that I order the police and the military to do it, I am the one, ultimately, legally responsible for it. Ako, wag sila. I do not want to see the Filipino queuing outside. Ayaw ko yan. Especially yung mahirap. Hindi, it might be a pretended sentiment, whatever you would call it, to do the unbelievers. Basta ayaw ko, lalo na yung mga taga-probinsya. Lalo na yung taga-probinsya na magastos pupunta rito, tapos maubos na ang sweldo kababalik. You know, it's always one trip dito eh. If you go down sa Naya, you ask for a lodging there somewhere, makikitira, tapos pupunta doon isang biyahe lang sa Kalayo, tapos pabalik-balikin mo ng araw, kalukuhan na yan. Something has got to give here. Kaya sabi ko kay Bebot Belio, find a space there. Lagyan mo ng kung saan yung opisina mo, gusto mong lumipat ng malaki, find a space there where you can place the satellites of sa DFA. Tapos sa National Bureau of Investigation. Diyan na, one stop. Same building. Or at least same vicinity. Makalakad siguro mga 100 meters. Then that's it. Ayaw ko magbalik-balik ang tao. Ayaw. I would like to stress it again. Ayaw ko pahirapan ang Pilipino. Period. Ayaw. So, mandatory yan, including the office of the president down to the barangay level. I will bind the local governments to strictly adhere to what the essence of government service is. Diyan tayo. Diyan tayo. Magtiis lang kayo kasi sa bagay 6 years lang naman to. Pero pagka nagka-diferensya tayo dito, umatras ka kasi talagang ayaw ko. Davao is what Davao is today. Kasi sinabi ko, here are the rules. Umalis kayo. I would not pursue you beyond the boundaries of my city. Go out. Tapos kayong taga-gobyerno, ganito. If you cannot do it, tell me. And I'll give you your marching orders out. Pati police. I have the most behaved police force in the entire Philippines and Davao. I do not allow checkpoints. Kaya dito ngayon, I will, one of these days, depending also on the advice of the military and the police, I would tanggalin ko lahat ng checkpoints. Ngayon sa Bukid, sinong mag-checkpoint? Hindi mga MPA. Ano trabaho ninyo? Wala, dala kayo ng armas, wala naman kayong... Kaya nag-uusap tayo, di ba? O, di, slow down muna kayo. I will be asking the NDF to just really do that. Lahat, mabutit na lang ang goodwill ng MI and the rest of Mindanao, the Moro leaders are up against arms also against the drug menace. And it's good for our country. It's good for talks. Just like China. War, it is not an option. So what is the other side? Peaceful talks. I cannot give you the wherewithals now. I have to consult many people, including President Ramos. He might want also to be one of the... But I would like to respectfully ask him to go to China and start the backbone. We gain nothing, but we do not also want to offend the United States. Why? Because we have identified ourselves allied with the Western powers. So that's an interest which we should not forget. Our interest and the interest of our allies. You know, there are a lot of complications there. Because now that the tribunal has ruled, the arbitral decision says that is And if China would insist on a space domain, that you have to identify yourself before you can cross that vast sea there, America will not like it. So they would insist that it's a Philippine airspace. Then walang problem. And of course, the maritime security is just to narrow there. Alam mo, pag nagsira yan, lahat tataas. Because even the insurance of the cargoes on the boats, on the ships there passing by, tataas. So it will create another problem for our economy and somebody else's finances. So, careful tayo dyan. So, we have to navigate with courtesy. Hindi naman ito nadadala ng, puro lang ito istorya talaga. Your Honor, Your Excellency. Sige, baw-baw. Dito lang ako sa trabaho na ito, even here. Siguro, get a lot of whispers. Yan, kita mo, left and right yan. Ako piskal doon, huwag magbulong-bulungan sa akin dyan. But now you get a lot of whispers, including sa labas. All state matters, but I assure you that the run of this country would be like just what we have in our hearts. This Sanbeda faithfulness to our nation. So, gano'n lang naman, gambling has to stop, but in the meantime, that I am focused on the drug menace. Why? Because pagka tinanggal mo yan, there is that apparatus of gambling. Mga kumukolekta ng pusta, and you suddenly mabakante yan, everybody stops. Ang mag-take over ng organization yan, pakialaman na yan ng droga. See? It doesn't mean to say that I like quitting that. Maano tayo, I cannot be stretched in. So I'd call the military. Hindi naman lahat eh. Just a team there to help the police. But they have to undergo so many legal lectures about the law on arrest and seizure, then the delivery of persons to the judicial authorities, the number of hours, how to get a warrant for an arrest or to search a building. Marami tayong natin, even in the handling of yung drug cases. Nakitikyaw tayo. But I remember at the time when I was a prosecutor, very early on the 1970s, it was really a heartbreaking job of, alam mo, may kaso ka, it's good. The affidavits are there. But pag-present ng evidence, some wise say that we want to have analysis of because Your Honor, we have heard the stories that has been. At totoo nga, hawak-hawak ko, tawas. Kaya sabi ko, in my time, do not do it to me. Huwag sa akin, sa iba na lang. Sa iba na lang. Huwag sa akin kasi medyo mapapasubo tayo nitong lahat. But anyway, I cannot detain you for any longer. If there's anything that you'd like me to answer, let us convert this thing into a open forum if you like.